Yo, what's good, guys? Today I'm gonna be opening some Shining Fate Pokemon cards. But yeah, got one box, got some more coming, and I'm gonna be unboxing some sneakers. Yes, sir. Alright, so yeah, let's get into it. Man, this shit hard to open. Alright, let's hope we hit something good, cause I fucking lost some money while going to the mall to pick these shits up. I lost the ticket for the parking and I had to pay an extra $7. But anyway, we got the promo card. Got some fucking pins. Three booster pack. One code card. Alright, let's get it. Alright, so I'm new to fucking Pokemon, so what is it, like 3 to the back, 4 to the back? Let's try 3 first, I guess. Alright, let's try 4. I bet 4. Here's another code card. And alright, so what we got? Team Yell Towel. Bro, I don't know how to pronounce any of these shits, bro. Rush Shield. Alright, Eevee. Naked. Trying to get naked with you in bed. Horsey, my fault. Don't know what the fuck this is. Hey, we got this motherfucker, yes sir. And then, cool. Alright, so it's 4 from the back now. Got 2 more packs to open. Alright, 4 from the back. Here's your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, watch this shit. Water. Man. We got Rush Shield again. Ball guy. Hey, you. Pretty cute, pretty cute. Another Eevee. Bruh. Okay. I don't think this is worth money, but let's see what we got. Fucking nothing. Alright, last pack with the Charizard. Ayo. Sorry, childrens. Alright, here's another code card. 4 from the back. Yo, watch this shit, bro. Watch this. Water. Man, what the fuck? Rush Shield again. Yo, my vocab's super fucking bad. I don't know how to pronounce any of these. Eevee, only person I can pronounce. Alright, another shiny, and let's see what we get. Fucking nothing. Yes, sir, nothing. Damn, lost $10 from parking. And another fucking L from this fucking pack. Damn, bro. No justice. But anyway, yo, let's get into the unboxing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, yeah, guys. I like to open Pokemon cards. But I also, love sneakers. So, yeah. Let me take out this shit. But yeah, I love sneakers. So, gotta unbox some sneakers for y'all. Yes, sir. We got the Supreme Dunks, bro. Supreme Dunks. This shit going for like $900. Got a brown pair, size 7. So for all y'all single ladies, hit me up. Got another pair. Which one is this? Another brown, size 8.5. We got. But yeah, guys. Anyway, yeah, I'm sorry about, you know, I gotta legit use the chair, an Asian ass chair, to fucking record my video. I mean, if I blow up, I might, you know, get me a camera and shit like that. But yeah, got another pair. You know, material pretty. It's alright. Like the letter is good. Like the detail. The tongue feels kind of cheap. The skin feels kind of, you know, it's whatever. Fuck it, it's worth the hype. Retail is like what, $132 after tax, and they're going for like 900, almost 1,000. Certain pairs in color. Got a personal. I got 2 more pairs coming. I got a blue 10.5 and a green 11, I believe. Personal pair, size 10. You know, clean. Yeah, hold up. Need to pick up the thing for this one. Clean, bro, clean. Personal. But yeah. So right now I got 4 pairs. Well, I got 5, but you know, gave a bunch of people a pair. Next we got the Jordan 1 UNCs that came out like a week ago, size 8. These shit is fire. But man, the material. Yo, if anyone got a 10.5 or a 10, let me know. Jeez, crazy. Material, hands down, fire as fuck. Alright, another recent pickup from last week, I believe. These, also personal. Such a clean dunk. And yeah, today they came out with the fucking pink dunks, man. I got lucky and I hit sneakers off it. But yeah, no site dropped it, except for sneakers. But yeah, these are clean. You know, this is me, and that's what your girl tell you not to worry about. Or you and the dude she tell you not to worry about, right here. A later release, I think was like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Same time as the Brooklyn Claws dropped. Got the ready-made blazers. I mean, these are personal, but I'm deciding if, you know, if I want to wear it or not. Cause like, these shits is fucking, it's crazy. Like, it's nice, but like when I wear it, it's kind of like, you know, fucking, it's hard, bro. Very fucking hard. But yeah, details crazy. Pretty clean shoe. But yeah, if you guys haven't noticed, I'm a 10 and a 10.5. So yeah, most of these are like a 10, 10.5. The box is fire. And then, man, another fucking personal. Size 10, Jordan 4 Retros. By the box, you guys already know what this is. Yes, sir. The fucking broke man Travis's. Looks so much better in pictures, but in hand is like, yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This shit, this color, fucked it up. Like, OD. But yeah, pretty clean shoe. Pretty nice, size 10. Suede is like kind of stiff. But yeah. But yeah, like I said, sorry guys about the bad cameras and qualities and stuff. This is like legit my first time doing anything like this. If you guys want me to open up more Pokemon packs, comment down below, I guess, like how every YouTuber says it, or give it a like. If you guys want to see more unboxing, comment down or give me a like. Also bot, so if you guys want to see some live comment down below and like. And Peace, bro. Peace, peace, peace. Love y'all. Love y'all.